China, officially the People's Republic of China, in a country in East Asia, it is the world's most populous country with a population exceeding 1.4 billion people. China spans 5 geographical time zones and border 14 countries by land, the most of any country in the world, tied with Russia. China also has a narrow maritime boundary with the disputed Taiwan, covering an area of approximately 9.6 million square kilometer. It is the world's third or fourth largest country. The country consists of 22 provinces, 5 autonomous regions for municipalities, and 2 special administrative regions. The national capital is Beijing, and the most populous city and financial center is Shanghai. Modern Chinese trace their origins to a cradle of civilization in the fertile basin of Yellow River in the North China Plain. The semi-legendary Xia dynasty in the 21st century BCE and the well attested Shang and Zhou dynasty developed a political system to survey hereditary monarchies of dynasties, Chinese writing, Chinese classic literature, and the hundred schools of thought emerged during this period and influenced China and its neighbors for centuries to come. In the 3rd century BCE, Qin's War of Unification created the first Chinese empire. The short-lived Qin dynasty. The Qin was followed by the more stable Han dynasty, 2006 BCE, 2220 CE, which established a model for nearly 2 millennia in which the Chinese Empire was one of the world's foremost economic powers. The empire expanded, fractured, and reunified, was conquered and re-established, absorbed foreign religions and ideas, and made world leading scientific advances such as the four great inventions: gunpowder, paper, the compass, and printing. After centuries of disunion following the fall of the Han Hansui and dynasty reunified the empire, the multi-ethnic Tang welcomed foreign trade and culture that come over the Silk Road and adapt Buddhism to Chinese needs. The early modern Song dynasty 960 and 1279 become increasingly urban and commercial. The civilian scholar official of literati used the examination system and the doctrines of Confucianism to replace the military aristocrats of earlier dynasties. The Mongol invasion established the Yuan dynasty in 1279, but the Ming dynasty re-established Han Chinese control. The Manchu Led Qing dynasty nearly doubled the empire's territory and established a multi ethnic state that was the basis of the modern Chinese nation but suffered heavy losses to foreign in the 19th century.